Did you know that it is important to do an intestinal cleansing? Some people suggest doing at least 2 detoxes a year. According to them, an intestinal detox can help eliminate the excess of fecal residues, parasites, and mucus. It is also great to prevent and cure many health issues. Curious, isn't it? The main theory behind intestinal cleansing is self-intoxication. According to the experts who recommend this technique, meat and other non-digested foods cause a buildup of mucus in the large intestine, producing toxins that hinder blood circulation and cause issues in the body. Fatigue, headaches, weight gain, and little to no energy are some of the symptoms that can suggest that your body is intoxicated. To clean your colon in a natural way, you will need only 2 ingredients: flaxseed and kefir. We have already talked about the benefits of these 2 ingredients on our channel. Did you know that eating 1 to 3 tablespoons of flaxseed flour a day can completely detox your colon in 3 weeks? It cleans your body and still preserves your gut microbiota. Interesting, isn't it? Flaxseed flour is also able to absorb and eliminate toxins from your body and lower cholesterol levels. Kefir is rich in nutrients and probiotics, being amazingly beneficial for digestion and the intestines. The combination of these 2 ingredients will allow a quick regularization of your weight, fat burning, and also will regulate your metabolism. Are you curious? Do you want to learn how to do it? Eat this mixture for 3 weeks for your breakfast. On the first week, you will eat 1 tablespoon of flaxseed flour with 3.4 ounces of kefir. In the second week, you will increase the dose to 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and 3.4 ounces of kefir. In the third and last week, you will eat 3 tablespoons of flaxseed flour combined with 5 ounces of kefir. While the recipe calls for flaxseed flour, if you don't find it, just grind regular flaxseed in a coffee grinder or food processor. This way, you can also guarantee that your flour is 100% made of flax seeds. To do this cleansing, do this mixture always during breakfast, substituting what you usually eat. And remember, don't make big portions to store it for later, since the recipe offers way more benefits when made and eaten fresh, which makes the cleansing more effective. Besides that, you also need to drink at least 67 ounces of water a day, since better results can be acquired by combining the kefir mixture with constant hydration. This intestinal detox should be done once a year if you judge it necessary. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.